Today's game is a bounce challenge. We have some ping pong balls. You can use any sort of a bouncy ball that you want. We're going to try and bounce them into our tub filled with water, where we have various sizes of boats. For the biggest one, where it's super easy to get balls in and have them stay in there, it's 10 points. The medium size is 20. And this one, where it's going to be super difficult to get a ball to stay down inside, is worth 50 points. Each person gets 2 minutes to see how many they can bounce in. The person at the end with the most points is the winner. You ready?
Yes.
All right, how about you go first?
All right.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, close. Oh, so close to the 10-pointer. You got it. You got it. We'll move that boat over there. You got a 50-pointer. Keep going, dude. Way to go. I still can't believe you got the 50-pointer. That's amazing. Way to go. You got a minute left. A minute and 7 seconds. Another 50-pointer. 100 points. Way to go. 10 points. 110 points. This guy is on a roll. Ooh, he's got a little bit of a twisty technique there. Can't think of the right name for it. Another 10 points. 220 points.
220.
Oh, sorry, 120 points.
Oh, thank you.
Not quite that much. You have 31 points left. That was so close. He is going to be hard to beat. Oh, he's picking up speed, everybody. Picking up speed. 10 seconds left. 9, 8. Whoa, everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, time is up. And one's going down the sink, but 120 points. Amazing job. I'm going to have a tough job to beat. On my mark, get set, go. See if I can beat his amazingly high score. That was incredible. Woo. That one is a 10-pointer. Oh, bounced into 50. Another close one on the 50. I've got to get a 50 in order to be able to catch up. I still need so many more. Oh, another 10. I'm up to 20. I'm only down 100 from him. See if I can get some of those 50s. Ah, 50-pointer, come on. Okay, I'm going to try for some 10s. Maybe if I get a whole bunch of 10s. Oh, 50-pointer. I'm only down 50 points.
What?
40 seconds left to get 50 more points.
Sorry.
Do I go big or do I go small? Ooh, 40 points. Let's try for some of these 20s. Ooh, let's see. Another 10, so I'm down 30 points. 30 points with 23 seconds. I think it can be done.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Oh, just one more 50 will get the end.
All lined up for you.
There's another 10.
They're all lined up for you.
Ah, woohoo! Let's see if I can go ahead, because I think that's the tie right now. If I can get one more, it's an official win. How much is my time? 3, 2, 1. Right before it broke. I barely pulled ahead, but that was close.
How about we say it's a tie?
How about we say it's a tie? I never thought we'd be that close. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.